What we have here today is a 1975 Triumph Trident T160 model. This bike was a 1 year only last year for the Trident. A lot of changes from the previous years. As you probably know, this is an electric start bike with the left-hand shift. This is an interesting bike. It's all original. It's not a show bike, but it is complete. It would be a great rider or a nice restoration project. Someone has professionally painted the gas tank. Beautiful job on the tank. We'll show you a little closer as we do the walk around. But again, it is an original bike. I have a PA title in hand, ready to transfer. It starts and runs, and we're going to walk around, do a walk around for you. Again, looking at the motorcycle, it's got the K81 tire in the front. The fork legs are nice. They'll polish nicely. There's some pitting on the chrome, but no dents or anything really on the fender. Headlight, same way, some pitting. The Lucas original signals are the Lucas signals that are on it. They're all intact. The gauges, everything's intact here. It's showing 16,269 miles. The speedometer works, so I believe that is correct. Everything works on it, all the electrics, except for this fact that the signals don't blink. So I haven't looked into that. And again, the bike's an original bike. The things that aren't original on it, which we'll touch base as we walk our way back. The cylinders, there's no fins broken on the cylinders. It's got the original Amwell carburetors. It does not have the original air box. Somebody has put these pods on. Working our way back, again, the original exhaust mufflers, that's what they used. It does not have the original rim on the back. Somebody has placed a 16-inch hog wheel on it. It has a nice low stance with that wheel. And again, the only things that aren't stock then, as far as I could see, is the rear rim and the air cleaners. Working our way around, again, Lucas original light and signals. The fender is all intact in the handrail. The chrome is pitting. Working our way around, it still has the original chain guard. It's all there. Original side stand and center stand. Working our way back around, it has a matching motor number that matches the frame on the bike. There's the motor number, which we'll list also in the ad. The reflectors are still here, which are usually missing on these bikes. And again, the frame number is correct to the motor. The horn has been replaced. The original horn was here. Somebody put an aftermarket horn on, and it works, but the original horn here is missing. Other than that, this bike's all stock. The rims, there's some pitting on the rims. It is what it is, but again, the bike runs well. It's strong, shifts nice, clutch feels good. And that's about a summary right there for you. We're going to take it for a ride and show you how it runs in a moment. Well, that's it. Hello, here we are with the 75 Trident T160. We're going to take it for a little test drive. Key on, gas is on. I turn the gas levers on. Take with the carbs. And push the starter button. And yes, the starter works. It's a T160 with the electric start, and they seem to always not work, but this one works fine. Push the starter button.